Dear people, watching and listening, Assalamu alaikum. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support my channel by contributing to my Patreon account so that I can continue making the audiobook series. Tipu Sultan, who was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore in South India, during his reign used to write down his dreams. They were penned down by Tipu himself in Persian language dating from 1785 to 1798. The penned down dreams are 37 in total. After the fall of Seringapatam in 1799, the manuscript was discovered by Lieutenant Colonel William Kirkpatrick after a thorough search of his bedchamber during the ransack of Tipu's palace. The manuscript was so well hidden that even Tipu Sultan's confidant Munshihabibullah had never seen it before. The letters have been translated into English by Dr. Mahmood Hussain, former Minister of Education and Professor of History in the University of Karachi, Pakistan. Dream 34. Sheikh Saadi of Shiraz. On the 13th of the month Khusrawi, on Monday, in the year 1226 from the birth of Muhammad, corresponding to the 11th of Jamadul Awwal 1213 Hijri, on the 14th night of the moon, the following day being Tuesday, in the early hours of the morning, I had a dream. I saw Hazrat Saadi Shirazi. The appearance of the aforesaid was somewhat like this. He was big-bodied with a large head and a long and white beard. I most respectfully offered him a seat. He seemed to be very pleased. I inquired from him what countries he had visited. Hindustan, Arcot, the country of Abdul Nabi Khan, the country of Kalopant, and Konkon, was his reply. Then he recited several verses and couplets, and after going round the palace he took a seat. In the meantime I woke up, since the morning had already dawned. End of Dream 34.